guys, what is up? Today we're going to go over how to draw reindeer eyes, okay? And the antlers. It's going to be kind of cool. I hope you like this. Really, really simple, by the way. So if you don't know anything about drawing, you don't know how to draw at all, you will be able to draw this. Sorry, I'm excited. Uh, you will be able to draw this because I'm going to take you through it step by step. Short lesson, only about 8 minutes, so stay all the way to the very end of the video. It's like under 10 minutes, right? Easy to learn a new skill. Let's get jumping in on this, all right? All right, so first thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to draw a, whoopsie daisy, I'm using a wrong marker. Going over here. Circle for the nose of the deer. Or I guess you put deer Rudolph. Going over here on this side. All right, we're gonna near it and we're gonna curve line here for the cheeks, kind of going hee hee, you know, cheeks. Go over here, up, curve down, up, curve down, circle. We're gonna go into the those look like gravestones, right? That's kind of just the shape that they make. We're gonna go circle and curve a circle around that. Same thing over here, circle. I'm gonna make the circle on that side because I want the highlight to come from the same direction. All right, I'm gonna go line above on one side, go over here, line above on this side. I'm going to go over here and draw the ear, okay? So I'm gonna start, it's an ear shape. Line. Curve in. See that? Over here on this side. Line over here. Curve in. Before I go into the ear more, I'm going to go over here and do the antlers. And it's going to start maybe from this area, right above. Same thing over here. This area-ish. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pull up, pull out, right? And then I'm going to pull up again. And they're not going to be super long because I understand that if you know, like real antlers are incredibly long, right, on a deer, usually, right? Not always like the adult deer. But we're doing a cartoon version, so it's not going to be that way. I'm going to go over here and I'm going to curve the line back. Pulling down. Going over here, pulling another line over here for another antler. Out, down. Looks like macaroni or something. That's kind of the way I do it. I think about it. Out, down. Okay, cool. You don't have to make the other antler exactly like this one. You could, right? I mean, the idea is to follow it as closely as you can, but you don't have to. Line out. Over here, up. So one thing people do a lot, see that's a little bit curved in that one. Doesn't matter. You know, just as long as you get the impression. The impression is much more important than doing a photocopied version of it, you know, because, you know, you're not a machine, right? None of us are. And I've been drawing forever and I still kind of like, oop, but I, you know, we'll notice your mistakes a little more, but it's better to just get the impression. Curve around the corner there. If you're going to get one or the other, you got to get the spirit of it. Pulling down. That same macaroni style shape. Up, out, in, up, down, curve. There you go. See? All right, I'm gonna throw maybe a line in here to give it some sort of depth. You know, you throw a little line like it's like picking up some sort of reflection, or it makes it look a little bit more dimensional when you do that. And I'm gonna do that over here on the other side as well. I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna curve in. Don't forget to hit the like, by the way, if you kind of like this design here. If you like reindeer, like Christmas, hit that like. Helps the algorithm out, and it just kind of helps, you know, the channel in general. You know, so I'm gonna go over here into the ear now. And I'm going to pull a line in just a bit. Okay. Simple. I'm going to curve into the shape of the ear over here. All right. We good? And I'm going to curve down. Doing that. It's a stylized ear. It's not like a real depiction of an ear. It is a stylized one. Pulling down. But then again, it shows everything here, right? We're doing like a cartoony look, right? That's stylized. The whole thing is stylized. Out. Down. Okay. Doing pretty good. And that's pretty much it. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to color in the nose. I could even color in the antlers. I guess I might do that. While I'm doing that, I'll talk to you real quick. Yeah, Christmas is close. If you want to become just a better artist overall, hit the links in the description. See, what I'm doing is drawing a circle there, and I'm filling in the rest of the nose so it looks like a highlight, right? We got Rudolph's nose here. I don't even know what to call this video, really. It's gonna be like Rudolph power or something. I don't know. Rudolph decorative eye here. Hold on. I'm trying to find another. Will this one work? Let me see. Let me see this. Yeah, let's do this one. Well, no, I want like more of a yellow. So basically, you can put whatever color you want. Not a big deal. Let's put an orange. I'm gonna go over here. Boom. Just gonna put that in the antlers. I might not even color the ears because the antlers are really important. But I want to thank you for watching. Yeah, doing this stuff is so fun. If you have any requests, please let me know in the comments section. If you're requesting to see some specific relating to Christmas. The channel is entirely dedicated to Christmas this month, and next month we might go back into some more like Halloween related stuff. I want to thank you very much for watching. You guys are awesome, and I appreciate you so much, and I will see you next time. All right, stay positive, and I will talk to you soon.